Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PSV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. Unfortunately, though, probably not for the right reasons now, as it was a very savage day. I mean, things started off nice, which is what is kind of makes it a savage day, but big volume, big price movement up. So at that point, it made perfect sense to be saying, oh, wow, is something getting, is something in motion? Is there something bigger that's going on? This is a great way to start the day. And unfortunately, this was just basically a little miniature gap and trap where the price skyrocketed and then crashed right back down to where it was and, where it ultimately started. And where did it start? And this is also what brings in a key level of support. But basically, it started down here around that 35-cent mark, where it was at the lows from Tuesday right there. So again, like I said, skyrocketed all the way up and is now flirting right again at that green line, which makes for a very, very important level of support. And there's nothing fancy, there's nothing complicated behind why this is so important, other than just a little common sense of, well, I mean, if the price chops around and then eventually goes sideways and breaks down through there, well, that would be putting at the price, the price at levels that have not been seen. Maybe, would that be all-time lows? No, not quite. That have not been seen since basically hit down here. Meaning, and said another way, that would imply that the price exploded to the upside to then quite literally going officially right back to where it was. And another, bit of trading terminology for that would just be a total pump and dump. Now, I'm not saying the company is being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm just saying that from strictly a price behavior, from a price action standpoint, and that's essentially what that is. Price explodes and then goes right back to where it was. But as of now, it hasn't quite broken down through 35 cents, but that is why that level would be very important going forward. If there is any sort of attempted bounces to the upside, key level of resistance to watch going to be right up there at 45 cents. But yeah, things are looking pretty shaky, pretty rough right now. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.